I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by opening Taskbar Settings now. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Once the Settings window appears, make sure Taskbar Behaviors is visible. This is where Position options live. If you prefer Control, open Display Settings first to confirm scale and resolution so icons don't shift unexpectedly. You're initiating the change immediately, so keep the Settings window open while you proceed to the positioning step. Now you'll choose the new location. Under Taskbar Behaviors, locate the Alignment or Location dropdown. You can pick bottom, top, left, or right depending on your operating system. On newer OS versions, use alignment to shift icons left or center. Once selected, the change often applies instantly. If not, click Apply or Restart Explorer. Make sure to test with open apps to confirm icons and notifications behave correctly. If layout feels wrong, finish by confirming the taskbar behaves as expected. Use Open Windows and System Tray icons to verify spacing. If the position did not update, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager. Select Explorer, Restart, and the change should apply. If you use multiple monitors, make sure the primary display is correct, because scale or layout differences can push the bar off-screen. If problems persist, revert to the previous position, adjust display scale, and try again. This usually resolves overlap and icon placement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.